Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, link is in the description for if you'd like to try out a new game called Stackfall. I've been working on making some video games, and this is the new one. And link is in the description. I'm doing a screen recording here, so I'm not sure if it's going to show up as fast as it will once it's uploaded, but you might enjoy to try it out. It's you got 3 lives, and basically it's a physics game. You got to stack these blocks without falling off the ledge into the nether below. And it's got about 31 levels to beat the game. You need to score about 1500 to beat the game, and it's not that easy because it gets harder and harder as the game progresses. It starts out a little bit easier and then it gets harder as you go. Gets, oh gosh, faster. As you can see, oh goodness gracious. Uh-oh. I might be out on this one. Oh, beat the level. Okay, good. Yeah, got a lot of different levels. See if you could beat the high score, or see if you could beat the game. Eventually I'd like to make another channel showing how to make games. I'd put it on Kung Fu Maintenance channel, but maybe it's a little different than everything else that I do, so it might be good to keep it separate. You know, what do you think out there? But anyway, this is the game, Stackfall, and I hope you enjoy it. Again, it might be going a little slower because of the both this is a test build as well as, oh my goodness, that thing is really flying over the edge. Uh-oh, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to survive on that one. Eesh. Ooh, that one's flying too. Oh boy. Looks like this is my last chance here. Hoping I could make it to the boss level. Got some boss levels for you. Let's see how it goes. Oh boy. Oh gosh, that's a tough one. Ooh boy. Ooh, teetering on that one. Oh goodness. Oh gosh, is it gonna hang on? Ooh, made it. All right. Ooh. I'm hoping I can make it to the boss level. The boss level is level 10. And like I said, the game's got about 31 levels. And I'm hoping once it mixes down, it moves through. So you can play it on mobile. It's a mobile game, touch device. Or you can play it on computer. Either one. And this is kind of an early release build, so we'll see. I hope you like playing it. It's kind of fun. Have some fun with it. There we go. And it gets more complex as it goes on. So I might eventually add some other details to it and maybe other versions. But I'm actually working on a pinball game. Figured out there's very few pinball games with the program and with Game Maker, and so I'm thinking of releasing a template eventually. Maybe do something different, either put it on the asset store, or, you know, if you're interested in that, let me know. Oh goodness, I don't know if I'm gonna survive that one. This is my last man too. I want to show you the boss level. Come on. Oh, and it starts from the beginning if you don't make it. But anyway, that's Stackful. Hope you enjoy the game.